Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this bloody red transition for your next music video or edit in After Effects. Starting off, I already imported my clip right here. I'm going to go to the bottom left of our timeline, go to new, and we're going to add adjustment layer right here. Close that out right there, and then for the first effect I'm going to add, it's going to be S_grunge. Now this effect right here is from an actual paid plugin. It's called Sapphire Universe. I'll make sure to link it in the description for those who want to purchase this plugin. First off, we're going to go over here to our stamp 1, and we're going to have it at garage floor. Head to our stamp 2, and we're going to put on garage floor also. Then we're going to go over here to stamp 1, color 2. Then we're going to put it all the way to red. Then we're going to head down to stamp 2, and both colors we're going to put at red. So about right here. And actually we might put this at black. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna leave that at black right there. Then we're gonna head all the way back up to here to stamp density. We're gonna go to the beginning of our clip right here, create our keyframe. Then we're gonna increase our density to 7130 or 7130. Then we're gonna head towards the middle of our adjustment layer, and we're just gonna drag our density all the way down to 0. We're gonna open up our timeline. Then we're gonna head towards the beginning of our clip. We're gonna go over here at stamp size, and we're gonna put at 0.890 or 89 right there. Head over to our opacity right here, and we're gonna put at 0.23. Head over to our fade softness, and we're gonna put at 1. And then our blink right here, we're gonna put at 0.93. Then we're gonna close out our menu right here. We're gonna highlight all our keyframes, press F9 on the keyboard to ease it. Then for the next effect I'm gonna add, it's gonna be noise. Go to noise and grain and drag in noise. Turn off use color noise, and we're going to increase our amount all the way to 62. Then we're going to create our first keyframe right here at the beginning. Click our time watch to create the keyframe. Head towards the middle. Then we're going to put it all the way down to 0 right here. Highlight these two keyframes, and once again F9 to ease it. Close out the noise menu right here. Then for the next effect I'm going to add, it's going to be exposure under color correction. Drag an exposure, head to the beginning of our clip, go to exposure right here and put it at -8. Go to exposure, click on a time watch, press E, then you're on a keyboard. Head to the middle of our keyframes or the middle of our timeline where all of our keyframes are placed, and put our exposure at 0. Highlight all these keyframes. It's F9 to ease it. Once after that, I'm going to close out our timeline right here. Close our menu, save our project so we don't lose this transition we just made. And yeah, that is how you create this bloody red transition for your next music video or edit.